Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Oceanfront, magnificent. Few words aren't enough to describe the beauty of this 6-bedroom, 9-bathroom, oceanfront home. Exemplifying style, serenity, and lifestyle. It has an amazing floor plan and is quite a masterpiece with uninterrupted, amazing views of the ocean plus a huge rooftop terrace. This resort style home is newly built and is 10,500 square feet and sits on approximately 13,000 square feet of land. Located in the opulent, highly sought after gated enclave of Jamaica Beach, one of the most coveted areas to own real estate in Jamaica's north coast. The ground floor features a 2-car garage and front parking for 8 vehicles. A covered entrance leads into a great room with separate dining and powder room, plus a gourmet kitchen with major appliances, exhaust fan, and a pantry. 2 bedrooms are also on this level with ensuite bath. The second floor consists of 3 bedrooms, including the master and a master bath with jacuzzi, a bonus room, storage room, and a linen closet. Basement as a 1-bedroom flat, a man cave, and bonus space. This is a must-see. Guys, let's take a look at this beauty and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1.95 million or Jamaican $300.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.